In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how I can fix evr.dll missing in Windows 11. So let's get started. The first thing that we need to do is to check for the system type of our Windows. So go to the Windows search bar and type system info. Click on it under the best match. Click on the system type or simply take note of that. And then open a browser. Search for the missing DLL file and put download. Hit enter. Click on the first option. Scroll down and click the download button corresponding to your system type and wait for this to be downloaded. That will be downloaded from here. Now once done, click on the folder icon. Then right click and then select extract all. Click on extract. Copy the DLL file, right-click and then select copy. Go to this PC on the left pane, double-click on the Windows C drive. Scroll down to the Windows folder. Scroll down to the System32 folder. So if you are a 64-bit Windows, go to System32. If you are a 32-bit, go to SYS Wow 64. Right-click and then select paste and click on replace the file in the destination. Now once done, right-click at the Start button, shut down or sign out and restart. Next method, open a browser again. Search for Visual C++ Redistributable and hit Enter. Click on the first option. Scroll down and simply click the download link corresponding to your system type. And after that, just simply click on the folder icon and double-click on the setup file that will be an exe file. So simply install the Visual C++ on your Windows 11. That's it, and I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you for watching the video.